Hey guys, it's John the Fit Cosplayer, the bodyweight trainer for cosplayers, gamers, and nerds. And in today's episode, of course, I'm bringing you the top 10 cosplays for the men. That's right, ladies, this is for the guys. So unless you want a gender bend, which is awesome and you should totally do it, by the way, then this one's not for you. So let's wait for them to leave. Hold on. Okay, now that the ladies are gone, let's get into this. Number 1, Shaggy. Of course, number 1. All you need to do is get some brown pants. The parachute pants are optional, and a green shirt. And if you have some chin hair, that's only gonna enhance it that much more. Keep it super simple. You can find brown pants and a green shirt at most places, and anyone who's watched Scooby-Doo will recognize you. Number 2, and technically 3, Spider-Man, or any type of bodysuit. You can buy these pretty much any cosplay website. It's one giant piece of fabric, usually spandex. Sometimes it comes with the head attached, sometimes it doesn't, so you might get 2 pieces. But of course, guys, always opt for the zipper because you gotta take all of that off, and that's not the business. Okay, when you're trying to go somewhere and you got things to do, conventions to see, you ain't got time to be taking off all your suit. I'm just saying, always opt for the zipper option, okay? So get that thing tailored, please. Number 4, any character from My Hero Academia. All you need to do is buy the suit, and like, that's it. Because that show is so extensive, you can be any character you want to be. Besides the huge cast of characters already, you can make up a character, wear something of your own design, and even make up a character. As you can see in this picture, all I did was add a lion's mask that I had, and bam, I'm a student who can turn into a lion. Like, that's awesome. So get creative, have fun with it. You just need the shirt and the pants. Number 5, this one's gonna be any character from Fire Force. Their outfits are simple because they're firefighters. They all wear the same thing, right? It's just this orange jumpsuit. Get yourself one of these. You can be any of the characters. And even if you don't, do something crazy, just like the last tip. Wear your hair a certain style, put in some cool red or orange contacts, and bam, you are a character from Fire Force, and technically you're a firebender. Number 5, the all stylish, the cool, the calm, collected Gojo Sensei from Jujutsu Kaisen. That boy he rocks it. So you just need anything black. Black shirt, black pants, black shoes, and a black headband. It's real simple. Just get a black bandana, wrap it around there, right? Daredevil status. You can get a white wig, that would help. But to keep it simple, if you don't have one, it's all good. Just keep it fresh, keep it stylish, and people will love your Gojo Sensei. Number 7, of course, my favorite anime of all time, One Piece. You can be Luffy or Ace. These guys are really easy to cosplay. Ace doesn't wear a shirt. He's just got some black boots, shorts, and a backpack. Like, he keeps it simple. Oh, and the hat too. Luffy over here, he's just got a red vest, some blue shorts, and sandals. You guys can get as cheap as you can possibly imagine with these guys. And from any website, you can buy Luffy's straw hat or Ace's orange hat and backpack. And at this point in the video, if you haven't already found a character that you'd want to cosplay, then leave a comment below. What's a character that you've easily cosplayed as? Moving on to number 8, The Sims. You can be any character from the game Sims. Whether it's Sims the original, Sims in the City, or Sims 20,400, because they just keep making them and people keep buying them. All you need is that little diamond above the head and you're good to go. You can make these cheaply at home with just a hanger, or you could, get an expensive one, but it's super simple. Just rest it on top of your head and then you're done. You can wear whatever you want. And number 9, the most underrated Disney prince, in my opinion, my boy Milo. Okay, give it up for the nerds, all right? The nerd finally got the girl. I'm just saying, that movie's amazing. Milo, yes, he's a Disney prince because he married an old girl and she's a princess, Disney prince. Anybody want to talk about that? But we moving on. What was my point? You can easily, cosplay as Milo. All you need is some cargo shorts and a tank top. Everything is, I guess khaki's a color? Yeah, just khaki shorts, khaki shirt, and you're done like that. And just, get some glasses and binder or a book, backpack, something that, you're carrying with you. That's what Milo does. He carries stuff. And last but not least, the easiest, the number one, technically number 10, the number one easiest cosplay for the men, any character with a mask. That's it. Whether that's Michael Myers, Jason Voorhees, the Power Rangers, you can easily cosplay as any one of these characters. Literally, you just need to buy the mask. You don't even have to buy the rest of the suit. It's all optional, but wearing a mask with anything and you're already that character. That's what we call a casual cosplay, when you're dressed as a character, but in everyday clothes. You can buy masks anywhere, from any website, and once you get it, just put it on. Sometimes it's hard to breathe in them, just a heads up, but it's easy, it's cheap, you just slip it on, and you're done. There you go. And those are my top 10 cosplays for the men. If there's any that you think I missed, go ahead and leave a comment below. Let me know what cosplays you want to see on this channel. And if you have any more cosplay questions, leave a comment with some question marks and I'll be sure to answer that in a video for you. And if you haven't already, check me out on all my other socials right over here, and I'll see you in the next video. And remember, your results show up when you do.